Aveeno is a good product. In this video, I'm going to talk about what it can actually do for our skin. The hero ingredient of this cream is a triple oat complex. It uses 3 different types of oats: the oat flow, the oat extract and the oat oil. All these 3 different types of oat ingredients used in this Dermexa Emollient Cream from Aveeno all strengthen the skin's barrier function. The top layer of the skin acts as a barrier, it acts as a shield. If the shield is stronger, that is, if the barrier is stronger, skin stays hydrated and skin is prone to fewer breakouts. Now, these 3 oat ingredients make this barrier stronger. Aveeno says it uses prebiotic oats. I'm not sure how Aveeno produces the prebiotic oats. Maybe it's using a fermenting process, I'm not sure. But what I do know is the prebiotic oats, it makes the microbiome on our skin stronger. Microbiome is a good bacteria, and when the good bacteria on our skin becomes stronger, skin's barrier function further strengthens. So basically, apart from the strengthening of the barrier that the oats provide, the prebiotic nature of the oats further strengthens the skin's barrier function. Now, another important benefit of these oat ingredients is in the inflammation and the irritation area, especially from the oat flour and the oat extract, not so much from the oat oil. They're very good at calming the skin, reducing the redness on the skin, reducing the inflammation and the irritation on the skin, and reducing the itchiness that some people experience on the skin. And it is for this very same reason this particular cream has actually got the stamp of the Eczema Association in some countries. For people struggling with eczema, 2 of the main things that they need is a strengthening of the skin's barrier function and a reduction in the inflammation, irritation, redness and the itchiness on the skin. And that's exactly what the oat complex does. And hence the tick of approval from the Eczema Association. This cream also has panthenol. Panthenol is a powerful ingredient. It is one ingredient with multiple benefits. It reduces the inflammation and the irritation and calms the skin down. It's also good at healing wounds, and it is for this very reason that it is often found in the nappy creams, that's the diaper creams. Panthenol is also a humectant. Humectants are water magnets. They bind themselves to the water molecules from the atmosphere and bring all that hydration to the surface of the skin. The cream also has glycerin, which is again another powerful humectant, a powerful water magnet. That means more hydration to the skin. The product has petrolatum. Petrolatum is considered the gold standard in helping skin retain the hydration. Now you see, it's not enough to have ingredients which can add hydration to the skin. We need ingredients which can seal that hydration and prevent that hydration from evaporating back into the atmosphere, and petrolatum is excellent at sealing all that hydration in. So it basically helps the skin stay hydrated. This cream also has ceramides, which is going to further strengthen the skin's barrier function. All in all, this is a very good cream from Aveeno. It has the powerful triple oat complex, but it doesn't completely depend on that alone. It also has a few other very good ingredients which supplements the benefits that the triple oat complex offers to our skin. One thing though, the product has 𝗏𝑖𝑠opropyl palmitate. Now, it's probably using that particular ingredient to thicken the cream, but this ingredient is comedogenic. That means it has the capability, it can actually clog the pores. So if you've got acne prone skin, or if your skin is very oily, you might want to consider not using the cream. So that's just something you need to be aware of because of that comedogenic ingredient. So in summary, this product can add hydration, help the skin retain hydration, and it strengthens the skin's barrier function, reduces the inflammation, irritation, redness and the itchiness on the skin. The overall dryness on the skin, it can have an impact and reduce that quite a bit. It's a very good product. Finally, the scientific name for oats is Aveena sativa, and that's where, from the word Aveena, that's where the company Aveeno, the brand Aveeno, gets its name, because most of the products, in fact all the products from Aveeno, uses oats in it. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot. Thank you. Bye for now.